In this video, we will show you how you can activate MS Office for free without any product key by signing up for a developer account. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Before we move forward, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Join the Microsoft Office Developer Beta. Open your browser and search Google for Microsoft Developer. Click on the first link that appears. It will also be in the video description. Here you will find the option to join the Microsoft 365 Developer Program. Click on Join Today. In the new page that opens, click on Join Now. Step 2. Sign in using your Microsoft account. Next, sign into your Microsoft account. If you do not have one, you can create one using the link there. Complete the verification steps and you will be redirected to a new page. On the developer program dashboard, select your country. Next, you need to enter your company name. If you do not have a company name, enter a random name for your company as you will not need to verify it. Check the boxes next to privacy policy statements and click on Next. Under What is your primary focus as a developer option, select the radio button next to Custom Solutions for my own customers and then click on Next again. Under What areas of Microsoft 365 development are you interested in option, select Microsoft Teams and click on Save. Step 3. Complete your profile. In the next screen, select the radio button next to Configurable Sandbox and click on Next. Next, you will need to create a username, domain, and password. You can simply follow the on-screen instructions for the same. Make sure that you have saved this information as you will need it later to activate your Microsoft Office account. You will also need to verify your phone number with an SMS code. Once you have verified your phone number, click on Setup. You have now created your developer account. Step 4. Download MS Office free. Click on Go to Subscription link and sign in to your account using the developer profile credentials you created earlier. On the right-hand side, you will find a drop-down button saying Install Apps. Click on it and click on Microsoft 365 Apps. Note that if you have already have the apps installed, you do not need to download them again. Follow the on-screen steps to download your copy of Microsoft Office. Once the file is downloaded, you will need to install the apps. Install Microsoft Office on your computer. It will take some time, so wait till the installation completes. Step 5. Activate MS Office without product key. To activate your copy of MS Office, first open Microsoft Word and click on the Sign In button. Here, enter the credentials that you have created in Step 3 above. Under Username, enter the domain name. Next, enter your password and click on Sign In. In the next window where it asks if you want to use this account across all apps, click on OK. Now click on Done. Now you will see that Microsoft Office has been activated successfully. Important note: your subscription is good for 90 days and is renewable based on valid developer activity. If you are using your subscriptions for development, it will be renewed regularly. You can find the expiration date along with your subscription name on your Microsoft 365 Developer Program dashboard. And there you have it. Now you know how to activate Microsoft Office without using a product key. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. leave a comment, and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.